do the narrative building from a weekly perspective. We will draw the previous week's high and the previous week's low. Since the previous week's low is in between the current week's high low itself, I am marking the range for the earlier week's low. Okay. Then we will see what is the price action in the weekly perspective. We can see the market has given a closure above the earlier high, so which is a positive sign. So it's very clearly that market is bullish. So moving on, since we saw the market is bullish in weekly, we can clearly see that the market is bullish in daily as perspective as well, and we have this open demand which caused this breakup structure. So and also there is one more demand which is available from a daily perspective. So these two demands are effectively going to be our targets. Also, we see one more point that we have a relative equal low liquidity also sitting out here. So the chances of this demand working out is going to be slim, whereas what we can see is the chances of this happening will be more out here because of the liquidity which is available here. Okay, so this is from a daily perspective. Let's move on to 4 hours perspective and see if we can find any other reaction points from where the market can react from. Yeah, so from 4 hours we can refine this range a little bit to here to include the wicks also. Yeah, so these two are the demands which we are going to target for the upcoming week effectively. In 5 minutes if I go, so what do we see here as a last price action is market came here, came down, right? And it broke this and gave a change of character, meaning break of structure for the upside. Now this is your all-time, this is our trading range also for the upcoming week. If market opens flat and breaks this point and gives a closure, what is this point? 26,265. If market opens flat or gap down and break this points and give this closure, then I am interested to take the market down. Simple. Okay, keep your trading as simple as possible. Why am I selling in this market when the market is clearly bullish? Because market moves in this fashion. Okay, so there is an impulsive move, there will be a retracement move also. This retracement is what I am focusing currently. Since market is efficient, since it has crossed and reached all-time high, this market is efficient from previous price actions, from previous all-time highs price action, it is efficient. So the only way for the market to react and come down is if we get a reaction from the all-time high where sellers are stepping in and gives a closure below 25 26 260 and a small pullback, so that if it happens, well and good. If there is a supply, even more well and good, and then we can enter from the supply and target this as our target, 26 180 as our target. This itself would be 100 points and it will be easiest to move for tomorrow. So this will be my primary focus. If market opens flat and goes up, let it go. I'm not interested for tomorrow if it keeps going up, because I don't know the targets on the upside. I don't know how far the market will go and when the market will reverse. Be monitoring, if I get a reversal from any point, then I'll be targeting this target. Okay, this will be my target for tomorrow. I will not be looking for extended targets. I'm happy with 100 points if I get it. Okay, last scenario which will be best for us is if market opens slightly gap down around 26,200 ish and we get positive reaction from this particular demand, then I can target till current day's closure, meaning previous day's closure, can target till here as a open supply. So from flat closure below this, pullback, sell, gap down, positive reaction from here, take the market higher. Simple. So keeping the video short, please do comment, subscribe and like the video. Thank you so much. We'll meet in the next educational video.